Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are making Tater Tot Casserole. And what you're going to need for this is 1 pound of ground beef, a 10.5 ounce can of cream of mushroom, condensed soup, and I got an 8-ounce can, 8.5 ounce can of peas and carrots. You get a little bit of vitamins in there, and because I like it and I like to put stuff in there, I'm gonna put in a cup or half cup of the French onion, fried onions, and of course I need the tater tots, and probably this is a 32 ounce, probably gonna use about half of that. And then 2 cups of shredded cheese. I got the Kobe Monterey Jack. You can get cheddar if you like. Alright, well, let's give this a try and see how it goes, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here we go. Okay guys, first thing you're going to want to do, get your ground beef out. This 1 pound ground beef. And I get it out. Okay, and what you want to do here is brown your ground beef. Make sure it's nice and brown. If you ain't on your human raw meat, you want to make sure you keep your hands washed. Alright, what you want to do here is get it all broke up as it browns. Get it going here. As you're doing this, you might want to add some salt and pepper in here. Enough to taste. Alright guys, I'm going to let this cook, brown some more, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have drained the beef here. And it's fully browned. I drained it. You want to make sure you drain your beef off. So we're gonna mix everything in here. First thing we're gonna do is put the can of mushroom soup in. And you're going to want to open up your can of peas and carrots and drain those. All that water out. Okay. We'll dump those in there. Okay. And then I'll put in the fried onions. And We're going to get this all mixed together pretty good. Sure it's good mixed in here. It shouldn't be too hard. Alright, once we got that mixed in there, okay guys, we're going to go to the next step here, and so I'll be right back. Okay guys, the next thing we're going to do, we got the glass bowl, and we're going to spray it with cooking spray. You can grease it down with oil. And we're gonna put in our meat mixture here. Gosh, this looks good. Everything mixed in there pretty good. The next thing you're gonna do, this is a 9 by 13 bowl. And it's gonna spread the meat mixture out. Okay. And as I was cooking and stuff here, I've had the oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna, the next step, you got that laid out, you're going to open up the tater tots here, and you're just going to lay the tater tots on top here. It'll be something the whole family enjoys, this right here. All right. Let's get it laid out here. Alright, that looks nice. Okay, and we'll put a couple of them right in here to completely cover it up. Alright, and we're gonna open up the cheese. And take the cheese, cover, it's all up, about 2 cups of cheese here. I'm just going to lay it on here. Alright, now we're going to go and put this in the oven. So we'll see you here in a little bit. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay guys, we're gonna put it in the oven. See, there it is right there. We're gonna set the timer for 40 minutes. So you'll be looking at about 30 to 45 minutes. You want it until it's golden brown. Well, I'll see you here in a little bit. Okay guys, it is ringing, beeping, so let's see what this looks like. I left it in there for 40 minutes, so it should be good. Oh yeah, that is nice. Let's see, look at that. Alright guys, well, I'm going to let this cool a little bit and then we'll give it a try. I'll see you here shortly. Okay guys, let this sit for a little bit. Now I'm going to give it a try here. We'll just take off a little corner here. There we go. Just take this corner here. Let's see how it goes. Look at that. That is so good right there. Alright, let's give this a try here. Cut it up. Well, that cheese is crispy. Okay, here we go. Gosh, this is good. Okay guys, this is just amazing. Alright guys, this is Tater Tot Casserole. As you see, it's real easy to make. Put the peas and the carrots in there, and the fried onions. Oh, and it was so good. You can leave those out if you want. And I put it in there. It'd be something good, especially if you wanted some, get some vegetables in there for somebody that doesn't like vegetables, but needs the vitamins from them. Alright, well guys, comment below if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications for my next video like this. I try to get a cooking video out every Saturday morning. I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. So I'll see you guys later, and enjoy your day.